Greetings everyone! We are from Group 3 and for today we are going to present our project titled Personal Budget Tracker and Financial Dashboard.
So as students, we deal with our daily expenses such as food and transportation. And without proper tracking, it is easy for us to lose control of our budget. That's why we created a simple tool that records our income and expenses, groups them into categories, and shows our spending through clear charts and summaries. So to begin, Ms. Doreen will now present the objectives of our project.
This is our objectives. First is to help the users record daily income and expenses, and to organize expenses into 5 categories: food, transport, bill, entertainment, and others. Present final information clearly, though charts and summaries, and to help users compare their spending monthly, support users in setting budget and saving goals, make financial tracking simple and easy to use.
To proceed with our chapter 2, here is our methodology. We completed this project using a step-by-step approach. First, we collected all sources of personal income for each student, including allowances, part-time job, scholarship money, and savings. Then we recorded all personal expenses in 2 columns: actual total expenses and budget amount. Expenses were categorized into food, transport, bills, entertainment, and others for school purposes. All individual data sets were consolidated into a single spreadsheet for easier analysis.
Using the organized data, we created a functional budget tracker with automatic calculation of total income, total expenses, remaining balance, and breakdown of the expenses by category. We applied Excel formulas such as sum to calculate totals, average for average spending, summit for category totals, and IF to highlight overspending. Finally, we used pie charts and bar charts to present financial information visually, including percentage for expenses per category, total group of income versus expenses, and group savings over time. We tested the tracker to ensure accuracy and usability.
For our chapter 3, this is our findings. Each member contributed financially according to their income ranging from 350 pesos to 2,400 pesos, showing responsibility and cooperation.
For our top saver and high earner, among the group, Kim Farrell and Daisy Menuza contribute the highest amount, reflecting their higher income from part-time job, while other members contribute according to their capacity.
Some members, like those with a lower income or zero savings, had to carefully manage every peso to meet expenses.
Members with lower allowance such as Cristel and others had smaller contribution but still participated actively, demonstrating teamwork and financial responsibilities.
Even with varying incomes, all members contributed, wherein it highlights the cooperation and dedication to our group's financial goals. Every member's participation, no matter how big or small, was initial to the success of the project.
For our total group income was 11,950 pesos, while the actual total expenses amounted to 9,060 pesos, resulting in a total savings of 2,890 pesos. This shows that the group managed funds effectively, spending habits and priorities.
The budgeted expenses were allocated across 5 categories: food, transport, bills, entertainment, and others. The largest allocation was in the others category, followed by food and transport. The actual expenses show that all categories were spent under budget, except bills, which matched the planned amount. This demonstrates strong financial management and responsible spending across the group.
Here we present the visual data. Figure 1 shows group savings over time. Figure 2 compares total group income versus total expenses.
And figure 3 illustrates the percentage of total expenses per category. These visualizations make it easier to understand spending trends and savings patterns.
For our recommendations, so while the group demonstrated good budgeting and financial responsibility, there is still a room for improvement. So we recommend reinforcing discipline and tracking habits, setting small but consistent saving goals, and creating emergency buffers. Members should avoid impulse buying, plan ahead for regular expenses, and support each other through peer accountability. By following these strategies, the group can improve financial security, manage expenses better, and build long-term savings.
That